lovely little kittens. They're each about 2 months old, and I just woke them up when I came in, and now finally they start to decide they want to go and play. They just need a lot of time to play and to sleep. And they're all red tabbies, except for one. This one. She's a tortie. Some beautiful markings. And these little ginger cats are a really, really friendly bunch. The names actually are Amanda, Geo, Rusty, Jefferson, and Susie. To be very honest, I can't tell the four apart, except for the tortie. They're looking for a good home where they have a lot of time to play. And one of the five just wants to be a little bit on itself. It's right here. And just before I try to actually climb on my back, it's a very curious little kitten that loves to just play a little bit on itself.